Thai oxtail soup, a southern Thai Muslim recipe. This is one of my favorite Muslim Thai dishes. I was born and raised south of Thailand, where there was lots of Muslim people around me. It is hot, spicy and sour soup. A bowl of oxtail soup and steamy hot rice and I'm in heaven. Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Let's get started. First step, clean and rinse oxtail well. Now boil the oxtail in a pot of boiling water for 20 minutes to remove additional scum and impurities. Discard the water and wash the oxtail under running water. Set aside. Also wash and rinse the pot, if necessary. Add water in the pot and turn on over high heat, or can use a pressure cooker to save time, or you can use slow cooker. Cut stalks lemongrass into 2 to 3 pieces per stalk. Then add it to the pot. Add kaffir lime leaf, torn into chunks. Cut and add onion. Cut and add tomato. Add cilantro, or you can use celery. Add star anise. Add cinnamon. Add ground black pepper. Add more beef, pork, or chicken bouillon. Bring it to boil. Once it comes to a boil, add boiled oxtail, lower the heat and simmer the pot on the medium. About 2 to 4 hours. Add more water if needed to keep meat covered. Add salt. Cook until tender. The last step. Pour the soup into a bowl. Squeeze lime juice. Sprinkle fried shallots or crispy onion. Add sliced hot chili pepper to taste. Add spring onion and cilantro leaf for garnish. Serve with steamed rice. Check out the ingredients in the subscription below the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. New videos uploaded weekly.